I introduced the select from and where clauses to you, but there are others. We're going to discuss three others: insert, update, and delete. First up is the insert clause. In order to add items to a table, we don't have to provide all the columns, but we do have to provide all the columns that are not null and don't have a default, any primary keys that also don't have a default or are not automatically valued, plus any foreign keys. Looking at the customer table, we see that three are required, one of which is customer ID, which is automatically set. So all we have to do is provide first name and last name. So what we're going to do is use our tutorial database, and we're going to insert into the customer table, and we're only going to insert first name, comma, last name, since those are the only two things that are required other than the automatically set customer ID. And the values that we're going to insert are my first and last name. And we add the semicolon and hit the lightning bolt. Now, as we can see down here, insert table, one row was affected. So if we change this into select and hit the lightning bolt, we see that I was added and the rest of them have a null. But now I want to update my zip code. So how can I do that? We do it by using update. So let's add that above this. So we have update customer set zip code equals 02, where customer ID equals 1. And then we're going to have the semicolon. And then we're going to hit the lightning bolt. Now, since we have the update and then select, it should update and then reselect all the items from the database, so we should be able to see that it was updated. So we'll hit the lightning bolt, and there we go. The zip code was updated. Now that we've added me and even updated my data, let's remove me from the database. In order to do that, we're going to use delete. So we're going to do delete from customer, where customer ID equals 1, and then the semicolon. We're just going to remove this update because we've already done that. And then we're going to hit the lightning bolt. And as you can see, I've been successfully removed from the database.